knowing that I'm the reason of your acknowledgement of your view of your value, I'm gonna just show you. Look, I'm cooking a nice little something for myself, but it's only for myself, and I'm gonna receive all I'm supposed to receive according to this preciseness, and the energy already knows to check, even at a time for myself. But I'm gonna just say just like this, you know, be careful of other individuals trying to take advantage of you and trying to do certain things that they're not. It's just like, look at this person that put this magnet on my stove. Like, imagine people that do elements and then they put a magnet on my stove, and then they would do more funny type of situations and stuff. But I know for a fact you'll know the difference even at a time. And then you'll handle the situation. So it's already wet for you to see, for you to handle and know the difference at a time. So it's just even watching all these elements. It's just knowing how funny situations are, even at a time, to see what individuals did. So if a person tries to do something funny and they didn't want the earth to acknowledge, the earth is also going to know the habitation, the air, the oxygen, the atmosphere, the light, the nature, the nurturement, down to even the habitation of the comfortability, the warmth, the cold, the vibrational current. Everything will know and acknowledge. And if somebody did something wrong, it already knows what to do, because consciousness is only for those of honor. It's not for those of lying or doing funny things. So, you know, individuals have to know how to have control and not do the wrong thing when it comes to the physical reality. So the earth will know exactly what to do, and it'll see and it'll have a point of enlightenment, even for light for itself, to know how real situations are. But I'm just gonna say just like this, even down to the can, because remember today, so even down to the can of everything that even happened a certain type of way today. So I tell an individual is how real, even in the paradigm of time as I view, even if in the paradigm of time, I should hear and view myself to know how real situations are. And then, to know even for myself, the what individuals did that I was trying to prevent a certain type of way, because it would have manifested another type of way. But because of individuals' acknowledgement at the time, look at the things that happened, and just to know even of my own consciousness, to know things that happen, of even my honesty of myself, even down to the force and magic and metaphysics, mythology, and the spirit and the energy, even space and gravity, air, oxygen, skies, natural nurturement, naturement, all jewel stones and elements. You'll know that I'm the reason of all existence, all social, economic, education, of all levels, of all reality, even private and secrecy, and those that's taught even in home, in their private and secrecy. So I'm the reason of acknowledgement, even of one vibrational frequency and pattern to acknowledge even the reasons of life. So, even of gesture, forms of allegory, and forms of reality, even earth, even as viewpoints of value, of etiquette, and physical reality. So, me knowing all, and even the atmosphere, habitation, and reflection, even in light, me knowing all, you know, the, the earth should already know, or the man of honor, and how to honor a man, and how real to keep honesty, even in the force, even in the physical reality. So I'm just gonna be real. Because of individuals dishonor when it came to the earth is gonna always honor me, regardless of whatever the situation is, even down to space itself. And I'm just gonna show you again. And as I enjoy my meal, I will continue what I was doing for myself in the physical reality, seeing the date and time. So one knows instantly, automatically, the reason of acknowledgement. So, I'm just gonna be real, you know, check and acknowledge and even the manifestation of all that is that I want, even of consciousness, nerves. Some people, even people of telekinesis, telepathic, telekinetic, empathic abilities can't connect with me unless if they're doing the wrong thing, they won't be able to connect with me because the energy of itself of what I just said is going to get rid of those individuals, and the energy of the wealth and enrichment in of enlightenment, even of lightning, electricity, thunder, senses, vibration, chemistry, solar panel, reflections, holographic, visual reality, virtual reality, vibrational current, of even projection, and even of anatomy and light and matter, cellular activity, celestial activity, astrological activity, super mega, quantum, highest and beyond highest, stars, star clusters, astrological constellations, and sacred zodiacs, or planets or moons or suns or earth or space or gravity or solar system or galaxies or universe or space energy, knowing that I'm the force, and all atmospheres of all or lightning, electricity, synthesis, vibration, chemistry, even all drill stones, the elements and lights, and will identify and know even in this vibrational frequency and pattern. And all I said, even down to all scientific, even all science, and all chemistry is going to acknowledge and know what I said to do as I order and commit, and regardless of what the situation is, even if the person viewed this or not, is already in the vibrational frequency current, so it's supposed to know to honor me. Ralph William Jr. knows the date and time. Ralph William Jr. And I have nothing else to say. It's just the reality of all existence, of all I said, and even to continuing of all times of all. And I'm just gonna be real, show you a form, and even down to the perception even of the card. The card itself should even know a visual point, even of a light, of a visual point, of its own, a certain type of way. So individuals so even knowing how real reality is, and knowing so I'm just being real with myself and making sure and, and, and one knows the reason of one's excellence, acceleration, and excella even in life. So I don't even got to tell you how real my life is, and certain things kept sacred a certain type of way, even down to the force to identify, even of the physical reality, the reasons of one's current and reality and viewpoint. So this video is literally 9 minutes 30 seconds, going on a wonderful acknowledgments and love of life, of all paradigm of time, and throughout all paradigms, everything I said exactly was going to be, and all my conscious thoughts, and even networks and televisions, and radio is all in science, is going to acknowledge and command, do as a command and order, in all energy, forces, possessions, spirits, and guidance, and love one.